Subject 1. The relationship between the teeth and the lips. Number 6. The angle of the canine tooth. Before I talked about curves, the canine's angle is also important. If the angle of canine is in the center of these curves, it makes a beautiful smile. If the angle of canine is in the center of these curves, it makes a beautiful smile. The angle of the canine is important for a beautiful smile. The angle of canine and three curves are harmonious. This canine's angle isn't sympathetic with these curves. This canine cannot make a beautiful smile. This is a chart of the angle of the canine. So, subject 2. Chart of aesthetic treatment. I wrote an article, Chart of Aesthetic Treatment, so 2008, Nippon Dental Review. Use this chart for aesthetic treatment. Using the patient's picture, draw a chart on your PC. Using the chart, we can find the aesthetic problems easily. This is a chart of aesthetic treatment. Curves, sympathetic around the lips, make a beautiful smile. The root portion is very important for aesthetic treatment. We can estimate the root portion from the tooth gingival fold. Using the patient picture, draw a chart on your PC. Using the chart, we can find the aesthetic problems easily. Subject 3, number 3, black triangle. The microscope is effective treatment for the black triangle. Patch technique, Katsuhiko Akiyama. I wrote an article for Nippon Dental Review. The patient's chief complaint was a space between tooth number 5 and 6. Tooth number 5 had severe periodontitis. I used the patch technique, made an incision gingival sulcus. The soft tissue was separated from the bone. Used connective tissue harvested from the palate to put the gingival tissue. Fill the space with graft material. Pre-surgery, post-surgery 15 months. Very good result. This is X-ray, pre-surgery, post-surgery 15 months. Very good result. Thank you for your kind attention.